I am a huge fan of hiking. It has been a part of my life for many, many years. I absolutely love the feeling I get climbing up a steep trail, feeling the burn in my legs, and then reaching the top and taking in these breathtaking views above the tree line. It's like being on top of the world, surrounded by clouds and nature's beauty. Plus, it's an amazing workout that keeps me fit, healthy, and happy. And I mean really, really happy. But as much as I love hiking, I kind of felt like I was missing out on other kinds of trails to explore. That's when I decided to give mountain biking a try. And let me tell you, it has been a game changer in my outdoor adventure life. Here's a few reasons why I think every hiker should give it a try. One of the biggest reasons why I love mountain biking is how it lets me cover more ground and explore different trails that I would normally avoid if I was on foot. For example, hiking often keeps me on shorter, rockier paths with high elevation gain and big views. But with a bike, I can ride longer distances on a flatter terrain and in a much shorter amount of time. It opens up areas that might be tough to reach on foot because of the distance, giving me a fresh perspective on the outdoors and access to trails I'd never see otherwise. But it's not just about seeing more, it's an incredible workout too. Mountain biking works your whole body. It's not just pedaling with your legs, you're using your core, arms, and back to steer and balance. The cardio is intense and heart is pounding, especially on those uphill climbs. It's boosted my strength and endurance like crazy. Since I started, even my toughest hikes feel easier. And aren't we always on the lookout for other ways to have fun and stay fit? Mountain biking adds this whole new level of excitement. There's nothing like speeding down a smooth trail, wind in your face, surrounded by trees. It's such a rush and is guaranteed to make you smile. Yes, it's challenging, but it's a different kind of challenging compared to hiking, but still just as rewarding. And as you get better, it can open doors to other kinds of riding. Last summer, I went to Purgatory Ski Resort in Durango, Colorado, and got to experience riding the ski lifts to the top of the mountain and biking down. It was so fun and has become one of my favorite ways to experience the outdoors. Now, if you're already used to going on long hikes while carrying a pack, you know it can really test your stamina. It demands both physical endurance and mental strength to keep pushing through challenging trails. A great way to boost your stamina for these adventures is by adding mountain biking to your routine. It's a full body workout that builds endurance through sustained cardio and strengthens key muscle groups, making those long hikes feel more manageable and letting you enjoy the journey with more energy. All in all, mountain biking has made my outdoors life so much richer and more fulfilling. It gives me more adventure, a great workout, better endurance, and provides new trails to discover. Pair it with hiking, and it's the ultimate way to disconnect, breathe deep, and feel alive outside. And if you're already drawn to the outdoors like I know you are, I really think you'd love it too.